Hi guys, Wendy here from Draw So Cute. In this video we're going to draw a JoJo Siwa doll, so let's get started. With this JoJo doll we're going to first start by drawing its face. So right here I'm going to start and draw a wide curve, kind of like the bottom of a U. Go right across, say about right here. And I'm going to start to draw my curve. So it's nice and round curve. And so then from there, I'm going to just come up a little bit more. Just bring it up a little bit more. And so about in this area, I'm going to start to draw the eye. So that's easier for me to gauge how tall to draw her forehead later. So I'm going to come in this area and draw a big circle for the eyes. Right towards the edge. So same thing on this side. Towards the edge, another circle. And so let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So if you love JoJo Siwa, please make sure to check out my JoJo Siwa drawing. And also, I recently drew her dog, Bobo, how to draw a Yorkie. So please make sure to check that out. And so right here, two small circles for highlights and curved line at the bottom. And so since she is so popular, I figure I might as well draw her doll too, right? So hopefully you guys love this JoJo Siwa doll that I drew, just as much as the drawing of her that I did a while back. Okay, and then lines at the bottom. At least this one's easier. I have something to go by. I don't have to figure out her outfit. Okay, so from here, let's come towards the edge, and I'm just going to add two very simple curves for lashes. Same thing on this side, and one more. And so then from there, I'm going to come up right here and well, let's draw the mouth first. I'm going to come in the center right here and draw her mouth first. So just a nice sweet curve, sweet little smile. Okay, so from there, let's finish off the rest of her face. So I'm going to bring this up and I'm basically kind of drawing an oval for her head. So I'm going to keep bringing it up and just round it off. So about that high. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her ears first. Where her eyes are right here in this area, I'm going to pop out a curve for her ear. And before I finish it off, because I know she has a pair of earrings right here, I'm just going to come in here and draw a circle. And then come in here for some details for the ear, just two curves. So same thing on this side. I'm just going to come right across, draw a curve for the ear, and draw another circle for the earrings and the details for the ear. And so then from there, now I can draw her hair. So I'm going to come in this area and start to bring out her hair. So it looks kind of weird right now, right? It's so round, but we'll fix that, don't worry. Okay, so let's keep coming up. And so from there, I just realized I forgot her eyebrow. So let's come up here. That's why it looked even weirder. So I'm gonna come up right here and just draw a soft curve. So same thing over here. Okay, so now we can finish off the rest of her hair and the big bow that she has on top. So I'm going to come in this area. If you're using a pencil, just go ahead and just round this part off so that makes it easier for you to know where to draw the bow. But since I'm using a Sharpie, I'm just going to go about in this area. So I'm just going to imagine her head coming around this way. So about right here, I'm going to start to draw the center of her bow. So about right here, I'm just going to add the center of the bow. in this area right here. And I'm going to fancy up this bow just like how it is on the doll. So I'm going to come in right here and just draw one tail. So it's just going to come right out. And I'm just going to connect it. If you find that this is a little too hard, just go ahead and just draw 2 loops and the tail. But that would maybe fancy it up a little bit, right? Okay, so let's come in here and I'm just going to draw some detail for the center. And then in this area, I'm going to pop out a loop for the bow. So it's going to go up, curve down and in. So everything is coming back into here. So just imagine this line coming in, and we're going to come in here and just draw some details. And then in this area, we're just going to fill it with another back loop. And so then in this area, we're going to draw another loop. So it's going to come out. So hopefully I'm not making it too complicated for you. And in here, I'm going to come out and curve it in. So I hope you saw that. Just come out and then meet right here and then curve it in. And then just come in here for some details. And so the reason we're curving it in is right here, there's another loop. So we're going to come out now and come in this right here. So towards her head right here, we're going to add this another loop and connect it. So there. I hope that was pretty easy to follow. So finally we got her bow in. So now let's finish off the rest of her head. And let's see here, we can tuck this back in. So now to not make this part look so round and weird, we're going to come in here and add some lines, some curves for her hair. So I'm just going to come in here and just drag out some curves. It's not so perfectly round. And add some details for the hair. So there, much better, right? So you can pop it out a little bit. Okay, finally we're done with the head, and we'll draw her ponytail in a little later. Let's finish her outfit. So I'm going to come in this area where her neck is, and I'm just going to draw, let's see here. I'm going to start with her jacket, the opening of her jacket. So I'm going to come here with 2 points for the center, and I'm just going to bring it down. Kind of like a V, and then in here I'm just going to draw a curve. And I'm going to come out a little bit on both sides. So this is going to be the collar for her jacket. And come back in here and connect it. Okay, so then come out from this point and we're going to draw the shoulders. So it's going to start to make sense in a little bit. Okay, so now we have the shoulders in. Let's come in about where her armpits would be, and we're going to draw 2 angle lines. So just draw another point right here. And we're going to bring out her jacket. So that's the body right there. So let's see here. So come in here and we're going to round it off. Let's finish off her jacket first and connect it. And then we're going to come in and draw another curve. Some more details in her jacket. And so in this little V area right here, we're going to draw the zipper of this jacket. So I'm just going to come in here and draw the zipper. It's a little circle at the end, and just going to lightly draw some details for this part right here. So we can add some lines for the zipper that goes all the way to the top. And I'm going to bring a straight line down right here where the zipper would continue. And it kind of continues all the way to the bottom there. Okay, so then from there, let's flare out her skirt. So we're going to come in this area and bring out her skirt. So we can bring it out a little bit more. About right. Okay, let's do her, draw her hands before we finish off her skirt. So I'm going to come out right here and just bring her hands to her sides and make it nice and simple. We're going to bring it out. We're going to flare it out a little bit because her jacket does have a little flare on the sleeves. And about right here, I'm going to bring it in. Give her a little cuff and just draw a very simple curve for the hands. So same thing on this side. So about right there, poof it out. Right there. For the sleeves and the hands. So same thing on both sides. And then we can come in here for some details now for the jacket. And let's see. Now we can finish off our skirt. So that looks about right for the length. We're going to come in and just give it a little flare out. And from in here, we're just going to add some curves all the way across and also give this layer of trim right here some curves. And so then for some details, let's come in here and just draw some curved lines. Okay, and so then in this little area right here, because it gives some texture to this trim, it's kind of like a see-through trim. And let's draw her legs. So I'm going to come to the center about right here, and I'm going to draw 2 angle lines down. For the legs. So it's going to be straight down, nice and simple. Come all the way down, tapering as you go. So about that much, and then I'm going to cap it off. And then draw the shoes, flare it out, and connect it, flare it out, same thing on this side. And so then some details in here, give it 1 bottom, top, 2 sides for the curve, and then laces. So same thing on this side. So sorry if I'm going too fast. It just feels like this is taking forever. So if I'm going too fast, please just pause the video. Okay, so I got her feet in. Now we gotta draw some details in her jacket. So we're gonna come in here and draw some pockets on both sides. Let's see, and then she has these little details here, but let's draw her hair first. I'm going to come into this area right here under the bow and just drag out really long all the way down. Make her nice and long and just bring it in. And then some details for her hair and make it maybe about this thick. For some details. Okay, so now to draw those little symbols. So she has, let's see here, I'm going to draw this circular one and has a bow in it. So I'm just going to quickly draw all these little symbols, and then there's a heart, an exclamation mark, and let's see, there's going to be a rainbow right here with a cloud. So my Sharpie is getting too thick. Okay, and I'm too lazy to change it, so hopefully this will work. So there's a music note right here. And I think that's about it. I hope I haven't missed anything. I think that's about it for this JoJo Siwa Doll. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys loved it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.